Oh my gosh, she's cute. What's up, y'all? It's Emma, and we are here at my shop. I just got 2 new boxes in of 90s and 2000s vintage. We should have about 150 pieces in here. Let's go through everything together. We did these hand picks like a month ago. Oh my God, it's been a month. So excited because we have a lot of heat. It seems like this is a box of tops. I'm seeing a lot of mesh. Stradivarius. Okay, I know this is a European, but this looks like an older piece. This is giving like medieval maiden with like the corset up the back. And I love the sleeves on this guy. So cute. V-neck top with like a little bit of sequin detailing. I don't know the brand on this. I've never heard of it. It's Tally Wagel. Really cute bell sleeves. Double layered gray and brown. Cheetah print is gonna be super in this year, and I have a feeling I'm gonna be seeing a lot of it at Coachella. What do you call those plants in Japan? Cherry blossom, a little cherry blossom detail. Okay, this looks like a halter top situation with a cute sequin butterfly. Off the shoulder, floral see-through mesh with a cotton neckline. We literally had a top just like this. Kelsey bought it. Lizzie McGuire vibe mesh. This is like fairy core, but grunge, because it's like more of a really dark brown. Crochet on the front, cloudy gray mesh. Front of the shirt and back of the shirt. Back of the shirt is where it's at. It says FL. I don't know who L is, but someone does not like her. Hey, happy Halloween, 7 months early. This is an Eva Linka mesh top. Front is cute, but the back is even better. Very New York City. Colorful floral beaded top with some cheetah print in there. Orange long sleeve with a heart in the center. Bandana print on the back. Crinkly black top with rosette in the middle. Ooh, this is so pretty. 2013, going to the school dance. Ooh, okay. For those of you who like a little punch, this one's for you. It's also a turtleneck. I saw Bill Nye in like this clothing post yesterday, and I was like, damn, we gotta get him in the dream hoodie. Okay, this top, I don't know what they were thinking with this top. I'm sorry, but like this halter, like I get it, like the idea is there, but the elastic is gone, so we're gonna have to put this in the boo-boo pile. Kind of like a snakeskin. Brand is by Calliope. Y'all remember when like the owls were hot, like same era as mustaches on the sunglasses, and you know how girls got like those mustache tattoos? This top is giving like that era, but I'm not mad at it. What do you guys think of 3/4 length sleeves? As far as I know, Devin Lee Carlson liked them. Oh my gosh, she was in my dream. Can't remember what happened, but all I know is she was in it. How do you guys feel about off the shoulder stuff? This is by 77977. Never heard of it, but I have to say I like the print on it. I would wear this with like a pleated mini. Delicate pink cami. I would wear this with like some Y2K flare jeans that like lace up. And a cowboy hat. Oh my God, did you guys see that video of Bella Hadid riding the freaking horse? This is cute. It's kind of giving cachet. La Belle. I used to thrift this brand all the time. They had really cute dresses. This is by the brand Reflex. That crisscross front. Damn, like we're not at the jackets yet, but like look at this pink leather peeking out. I'll finish the tops really fast. Scoop neck. Oh my God, I used to sell these all the time on Depop. I would call them like princess tops, but crazy bell sleeve, lettuce hem. Depop search terms. This is by Rick Cardona. The elastic is a little not to our standards. We have very high standards here at Rove. Paola Franny, this cute layered top. Okay, this gotta be my favorite top so far. This is like what I'm into right now. I love all the different paneling by Dowley. Can't even read it, but very cute. Y'all see it, right? Zebra shirt. I feel like I might be too close to see it. Floral cami. I know what this is. And I know what this is because I've had it before and I've sold it before. At the Hester Street Fair in 2019, I think I sold it for $75. I got it on the Real for like $45. This was before JPG meshes were like all the rage and in great condition. That's like a Miami shirt. You go into Miami, you wear that. Oh, this is very pretty. You wear this with a flowy maxi. Only this brand I've thrifted before. Esprit is cool. They're having a little comeback moment. I like shirts that say weird random things on them. This says beyond perfect. Tonight, keep the faith. The most amazing things in life tend to happen right at the moment you are about to give up. For anyone that needed a message of encouragement, you need this shirt. Actually, this is my favorite shirt so far. All right, we're almost done with the shirts. Come on, we're gonna go fast. Lingerie style. This is by Dosey Dose. It's black mesh with little crown in the middle. I spy some Juicy. Seem to be dead stock. Look, they were $128 retail, and they're just this beautiful navy blue with like the little crown. Actually, I think this is the matching one because this has the crown. But wait, this is black. Now we're at the leathers, you guys. I'm very excited because I see pink leather in here. Ooh, I'm ready. I'm about to go to Coachella too, so I might be taking one of these with me. It says 8. Oh my God, Ice Spice needs this jacket. Gah! Ice Spice, if you're watching this is for you. I will be holding it for you. A+, screenshot this and tweet Ice Spice. She needs it. If any of you ride or like do anything, any extreme sports, y'all should cop this because this is cute as fuck. It's very heavy duty, very cute Barbie moto jacket. It's like heavy to just hold. Girls who ride, this is for you. This feels very nice, a lot more worn in. I love when leather jackets have a white accent on them because it just makes it pop even more. This is by Forward. So cute and has a little number on front. 80s Tron. Ooh! Ooh, look at these Miss 60s. Oh my God, these are so cute for spring with just a bra under it, like the Bella Hadid button downs that she wears. Jeans, very nice. I see some vintage Trip. Almost like a little capri length. No, they're full length. They're just not dragging. This was before Trip made pants with like a 34-inch inseam. Some gray Y2K jeans, more Juicy. Welcome to Juicy Couture. These goes perfectly with the navy ones we just found. Little Eiffel Tower top with a flower. I don't know what it is about combining like the tacky tourist vibe on like a mesh. I just love it. Oh wow, this is very pretty. Denny Rose, never heard of this brand, but it's so cute. Maxi skirt here. Cool stitching on the sides, you see that? Look at the stitching on this. It's a little bit of a high-low moment. Okay, a couple more leather jackets. You know what I like about racing jackets is how they cut right at the hip. The fit of them is so cute. They're cropped and you can wear big baggy pants and Dinest. Japanese brand, I think I've seen it. This is the same brand. Okay, this is cute. Oh, and look at all these colors. Oh my gosh, all these colors make me so happy. Very spring. Okay, so this is another Juicy Couture. Oh my God, I have brown ones that fit this exact same way. I love this cut. These are so flattering on because they have a flare. Oh, so flattering. And I have ones just like this, but they're an ombre. Oh, okay, you hear this? Elastic on this is dunzo. It's been loved too much. That's the whole box, you guys. Box 1, what do I rate it? We got a little bit of everything. Leather jackets, 10 out of 10. And the Juicy was incredible. Let's do the next box. Are we doing next box right now? Yes, fucking do it. Box 2, everyone pray. Okay, I'm seeing a lot of denim right now. Oh, more tops. Okay, it's probably gonna be a combo box just like the other one. We have a corset, and this is by, let's see, Sexy Lingerie and Fashion. Beautiful. I love the lingerie brands names. They have the most creative ones. Very princess core, going to a gala. Honestly, a denim maxi with this would be cute. You got some nice Juicy. Very cool stitching. I haven't seen this. Oh no, you see, this is the one maybe that matches the pants. A million of those can match the pants. More Juicy, more Juicy. You got hella Juicy. If anybody wants to be a steamer, we are hiring steamers. I like this one a lot. Juicy. I like it when they say stuff like this. Live for Juicy. I used to hate this color when I was in like kindergarten. Some kid made fun of me because I was wearing pants this color, sweatpants with gold wash on them, and he was like, haha, you're wearing pink. And I'm like what? On the playground. Never wore pink after that until I got to graduating college. It's crazy how people can affect you, and I didn't even know this kid. This J is crazy. I've never seen this. I think this is bootleg. This is definitely bootleg because the stitching, you can see the line going from letter to letter. That's a sign of cheaper embroidery. Okay, this is another one. Okay, we got pink, black, more navy blue. Okay, so if you need Juicy, you know who to call. Leopard print. This is very cute. This is Miss 60. I want to be a good girl, but now I want to go dancing. But it's youth Miss 60, okay? This will fit a 28-inch waist. I want to be a good girl, but now I want to go dancing. LEI classic micro mini with the whiskering grommets all over. Some Trips, very cute colorway. And look, these zip off into jorts. Everyone in their wardrobe needs a classic pair of like Y2K low-rise jeans with like a crazy fade. Look how cute that is. With like a cute halter top or like a crop. These are baby fat cargos. Miss Kimura, if you are watching, let's do a collab. We're gonna manifest that. Cargos, this is for a tiny, tiny waist. Love these pockets here. Ooh, did you hear that crunch? I want to try these on. These jeans can fade and lose color. When I'm talking about quintessential Y2K, it's something like this. I love the waistband on these. This is by the brand Jazz. It's not that common for 2000s jeans to be this wide. Hey, we see a little DG here. Dolce & Gabbana. Very nice. Pocket detailing on the back here. Ooh, I can already tell I like these. You see, this is so Y2K. I remember I had a pair of jeans like this from Kohl's. Whoa, look at that. I love when they have these weird belt attachments. Bella Hadid needs these. This is giving Save the Queen a little bit more on the farm. Innocent jeans, little maxi skirt. This is a very innocent maxi skirt, indeed. We love this. Prime of life. When you're wearing this shirt, this Jessica. I love the fade on this guy. I love this. I need a fit pick in this and that tank top from the other one. This is very Acne Studios. Dirt wash, is that what you call it? A green wash to it. Very cool. Wearing jerseys with maxi skirts is also a really cute way to style them. Look at this belt buckle right here. Somebody sewed on these little things. Well, I already like this box better because it was less things. I think out of 10, I give this box like a 9. Let us know what your favorite piece was. Comment it down below with the timestamp. But if you are in New York, come through to the shop. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And stay tuned for our next dating video, which is coming very, very soon. All right, bye.